can't help it. I talk from my heart. I'm real. You know what I'm saying? Whatever comes, comes. But my controversy probably. And it's not my fault. I'm trying to find my way in the world. You know, I'm trying to be somebody instead of just make money off everybody. You know what I'm saying? And so I go down paths that haven't been traveled before, and I usually mess up. But I learn. You know what I'm saying? I come back stronger.
Let's go. Yeah. Let them know what time it is. Yeah, nobody ever gonna stop me. This is my time, stay on my grind. Hoping I can make it through, I know that I'll shine. This is my time, this is my time. This is my time. This is my time, stay on my grind. Hoping I can make it through, I know that I'll shine. This is my time, this is my time. This is my time. Wake up in the morning, bumping Nas and Pac. Yeah, real hip hop doesn't ever stop. I got it flowing through my veins. I'm just hoping for a change. Yes, it's just another day, working to get paid. Yeah, but I'm not even satisfied with grinding on this 9 to 5. I just need to find the time so I can read between the lines. Maybe find my peace of mind. Running out of patience, got me feeling anxious, faced with temptation. I need some inspiration. True, it's time to take another step up ahead with no regrets. Gotta clean this mess. I'm spitting how it's supposed to be with rhythm and poetry, but they won't even notice me. Hip hop is a language, I speak it so fluently. Still remember being little kids in the street, real talk, playing hide and seek until the sunset. Got a couple songs out, but I'm not done yet. I'ma keep it pushing. Mic check. This is my time, stay on my grind. Hoping I can make it through, I know that I'll shine. This is my time, this is my time. This is my time. This is my time, stay on my grind. Hoping I can make it through, I know that I'll shine. This is my time, this is my time. This is my time. I know it's been a while since you've seen me smile. My life is getting wild, so I pour myself a drink, rolling up a little weed. Man, I'll be sipping and smoking, and I'm just wishing and hoping. I'm not supposed to be choking when it comes to this rap game. I got a good heart, and that will always be the same. But there's some things I can't explain. No, something's gotta happen sooner or later. I know it's hard to imagine to really make it from rapping. There is no time to be slacking. Well, I've dealt with all these highs and lows, but it was just my time to grow. Faced with all these obstacles, but anything is possible. This is my redemption, going my direction with only good intentions. I'm just writing about my life, got me thinking that this is right. It's right. Nowadays the industry is all fucked up, got me thinking, so what? I'd rather get my bucks up, ching, independently. Why they pretend to be someone that they're not, living in the fantasy. Fuck, cause man, that shit is played out. Looking for a way out, asking why I do this, cause it's time for me to prove it that your music's real useless, got you sounding fucking stupid. This is my time, stay on my grind. Hoping I can make it through, I know that I'll shine. This is my time, this is my time. This is my time. This is my time, stay on my grind. Hoping I can make it through, I know that I'll shine. This is my time, this is my time. This is my time. Yeah, still standing in the atmosphere. We out here.